We'll guide you through how to change FPS in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Blender and start your project. First, make sure you are in the Layout workspace by checking the top menu. Next, move to the right side of the screen where the Properties panel is located. In this panel, find the Output Properties tab, which is represented by a small printer icon. Click on this tab to open the rendering settings. Then, scroll down until you reach the frame rate section. Here, you will see a drop-down menu displaying common FPS values such as 24, 25, 30, and 60. Click the drop-down menu to expand and view all available options. After that, select your desired frame rate. For example, 24 for a cinematic feel or 60 for smoother motion. If none of the presets meet your needs, choose the custom option from the drop-down. Once selected, enter your preferred FPS value manually in the field provided. You should also check the time-based setting next to the FPS value, if it is available, to ensure accurate playback time. After setting the frame rate, use the timeline controls to play your animation and preview the speed. Observe whether the motion looks natural or needs adjustment. If the animation feels too fast or too slow, return to the frame rate section and adjust the FPS again as needed. Repeat this process until you achieve the desired timing and smoothness. Finally, save your project to ensure that all FPS changes are preserved for future work. This step is important because unsaved changes can be lost if Blender is closed unexpectedly. By carefully following these steps, you can control how your animation plays and ensure it matches your creative goals and technical requirements without confusion or errors. Additionally, understanding how FPS affects motion can help you plan animations more effectively. Lower frame rates often create a stylized or film-like appearance, while higher values produce smoother and more realistic movement. Keep in mind that changing FPS may also influence how keyframes appear over time, so review your animation carefully after making adjustments. If necessary, reposition keyframes in the timeline to maintain proper timing and spacing.